Hello everyone, this is Dashi. Today I will explain how to use a Bluetooth display. First, we need to open the WePower app. Search for the eBay kit name. Bluetooth icon lights up. Connection successful. Hold for 3 seconds to power on. Then click Device, Add Device, and Connect. Connected successfully. Choose Battery Level. Click Unbind to disconnect. Now let me introduce what's inside the Bluetooth display. Bluetooth working status display, battery level display, current writing speed and assist level. The plus button increases the assist level, while the minus button decreases it. 5-level assist adjustment, writing distance, and writing time display. This is a thumb throttle. Push this, then it's fully electric mode. Press and hold the power button for 5 seconds to turn off the Bluetooth display. It takes 3 hours to charge and provided 100 hours of use.